viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to begin with an amazing poem from your storybook, that is The Little Elves. So, in every walk with nature, one receives something more than he seeks. Imagine a world where magic whispers through trees and the tiny creatures weave their own enchanting tales. So, with this beautiful thought, let's step into the realm of world. So, with this beautiful thought, let's step into the realm of wonder where a curious girl meets an elf man, sparking a conversation that will leave you spellbound. So, with this beautiful thought, let us begin with the poem. So, I met a little elf man. So, here, what is an elf man? Elf man is basically a person who is small in size and has some kind of magical powers, right? So, that is an elf man, right? So, here the girl is saying that I met a little elf man once. I was roaming in the forest and I met a little elf man, right? After that, she says, down where the lilies blow. And he was walking down in the ground where the lilies used to blow. Blow means here, blow is used for the word blossom, right? Where the lilies blossom. I asked him why he was so small and why didn't he grow. So the girl is saying that I was like really shocked to see that how a person can be this small. So she said that I asked him that why are you so small and why are you not growing? Right. After that, let's see that what happened. He slightly frowned and with his eye. Now what is the meaning of slightly? Slightly means a little bit. Slightly means a little bit, right? And frowned. Frowned means to look seriously, right? So she's saying that when as soon as I asked him this question, he actually looked towards me in a little bit serious way with his eye. And he looked me through and through. Now, what is the meaning of through and through? Means thoroughly. Or we can say completely. Right? So, now the girl is saying that he looked me slightly in a little bit serious way and he looked me completely from top to the bottom. Right? And then the little man said, I am just as big for me, said he. That I am not small. I'm as big for me in a normal way as you are big for you. Just like you are big for yourself in a normal way, I am also not small. I am also big for myself in my own way. Right? So, this was a poem which was composed by John Kendrick Banks. So, that was all about the poem. I hope you all enjoyed it. And that was a wrap up on the enchanting tale of an elf man and a curious girl. Thank you for joining me on this whimsical journey. So, do subscribe our channel, like the video, and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.